Would you throw these jeans away? I wouldn't. 3 simple embroidery designs can completely transform torn jeans. Today, I'll show you how to repair 2 common types of jean tears with 3 easy embroidery patterns. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need embroidery floss, a needle, scissors, and, of course, your torn jeans. These methods are beginner-friendly and don't require any special tools. Today, I'm using a herringbone stitch. It's one of my favorite stitches because it's simple, decorative, and great for covering long tears. Start by making a diagonal stitch from one side of the tear to the other. Then insert the needle back into the center of the tear and bring it straight up a little further along. Repeat the same movement, crossing each stitch to create the herringbone pattern. Try to keep the spacing even and pull the thread gently. Once you reach the end, secure the thread on the back. And that's it! The tear is reinforced, and the decorative herringbone stitch gives these jeans a fresh new look. Now let's repair this small hole with a simple sunburst design. This next design has a completely different look, but it's just as easy to sew. Bring the needle up through the center of the hole. Then make a straight stitch from the outside toward the center, just like a sunray. Try to space the stitches as evenly as possible. This will give your embroidery a balanced and tidy look. This is actually one of my favorite designs because it's simple and works well on almost any pair of jeans. Have you ever repaired your own jeans before, or is this your first time? If you're stitching along with me, don't worry about making every stitch perfect. Handmade projects always have their own unique charm. Keep adding stitches until the hole is completely covered. And here's the finished sunburst. It's a fun way to hide a small hole while turning it into a decorative detail. If you prefer something even simpler, here's another option. First, make a diagonal stitch across the tear. Pull the thread gently to bring the edges together. Next, sew 4 straight stitches along the length of the tear. Once the tear is stabilized, begin adding diagonal stitches in the opposite direction to create a series of crisscrosses. watching from today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know where everyone's from. I'm always looking for new repair ideas, so if there's something you'd like to learn, leave me a comment. It might be my next video. Just keep repeating the same steps until you're happy with the coverage. And here's the finished result, a simple repair that turns a tier into a decorative detail. If you enjoy simple embroidery tutorials like this, I'd love to have you here. Feel free to subscribe for more ideas.